Do you know anyone can open a TikTok shop? I did last week, and I was suffering with COVID. It's that easy. Come on, I'm going to show you how. Started doing all of that. Now, the other day, I got COVID last week. I suffered through COVID. This is day 5. But it caused me not to be able to go to work during the day, so I had some free time. So I said, let me look at the TikTok shop thing. And I had done a video about print on demand and integrating TikTok with Printify. Printify, they have a deal. You can integrate them. So I set it up, right? And it was so simple to do. And now I've got a bunch of products in there. I've got affiliates contacting me, wanting me to send them samples so they can do videos for me. So now I've made these print-on-demand things. Now they've got everything from cups, mugs, to hats, to shirts, to sweatshirts, to pet stuff, to jumpsuits, to tote bags, to a bunch of stuff, right? You can have a niche store in something, right? Matter of fact, I do. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You could probably go to my shop and find out. But and I go to Canva and I make some designs, and I go to Printify and I upload the designs, and it goes right to my TikTok shop. I've got like 7 or 8 products in there already. I sent away for like 5 samples, and they're going to print them and send them to me, and we're going to do videos for them, and we're going to see what goes on. Now, here's the thing. When you set up the TikTok shop and you put these products in there, okay, you can decide what kind of commissions you're going to give your affiliates, okay? So I decided to give them 20% because that's a good percentage. People like the 20% commissions, right? They're used to 4% on Amazon. So anything above 10% is good. So 15 to 20%, I picked 20%. And so I worked it out so that I'm going to get a 40% profit from my merchandise, right? So, and you can work that all out in Printify and then TikTok shops in the back office, and you figure out what your profit's going to be. So I made sure it was 40%, and I'm offering the affiliate 20%. So I'm going to make 20%. They're going to make 20%. Matter of fact, I'd be happy if I made less because I'm not doing anything. They're gonna make a video with my product. It might go viral, and if it does go viral, my product I could sell thousands of them, right? It's happened over and over again to people in TikTok shops. Now, Valentine's Day is coming, so I've got a couple of Valentine's Day themed products in there. Not necessarily Valentine's Day gifts, but things that people might wear around Valentine's Day. A Valentine's Day mug that someone's going to give to their secretary or their teacher or something like that. Idea. Okay, so if you don't have a TikTok shop, a theme, a niche TikTok shop, you want to do mugs. You might want to do holiday mugs, and every holiday you put it out. So right now we're doing Valentine's Day, and then of course you got St. Patrick's Day. Then we're gonna have Easter. Okay, then we're gonna have I don't know if you could do Memorial Day, but you can do it, summer and spring and 4th of July, and you could all do all that kind of stuff, working your way up to Christmas, right? And just do all kinds of holiday and just be a holiday niche store with mugs and just put out new mugs, 2 or 3 mugs every holiday. And that's all you really have to do. And you just hope that they go. Of course, they got to be quality designs. Get good at making designs. Canva is a godsend. And yeah, so do that. Okay, do that.